The best thing about the Forest River Salem lineup is simple. There's a Salem for basically everyone who actually camps. Couples, families, friend groups, solo escape artists. Salem's floor plan variety is ridiculous in the best kind of way. And it's not just pick a layout and deal with it. These trailers come loaded with features inside and out, backed by real construction decisions that matter, and a towing range that goes from manageable to bring a truck in some humility. All right, let's start right where every trip begins, and that is the entry door. You step into a Salem and you're immediately in the living area, or the hangout zone, the chaos zone, the we said we'd play cards and somehow it turned into a full debate zone. The interior design is sharper than you'd expect with this price point, and the first thing that hits you is overhead. That's the 4K blade lighting running across the ceiling. It's bright, clean, modern, and yes, it has a dimmer because sometimes you want cozy cabin energy, not interrogation room. A lot of models also bring in a 30-inch electric fireplace, which is basically mood on demand. You don't need it until you have it, and then suddenly every other trailer feels emotionally unavailable. Salem seating and layout options are where things get fun. Some models feature the Versa Lounge, which can shift between desk, dinette, and chaise setups depending on how your day is going. Work, eat, nap, repeat. Other floor plans go for a booth or U-booth dinette, and then there are models that just go full send with a massive sectional like they're daring you to stay inside. Either way, comfort isn't the question. The question is whether you'll ever stand up again. And because camping doesn't always come with perfect weather, temperature control matters. Standard is a 13,500 BTU AC, and on larger models, you can move up to a 15K AC with 50 amp service and even add a second unit in the bedroom. That's the difference between surviving summer and winning summer. The design touches keep showing off too. Luminous, arch radius panels, tasteful curtain hardware, and big windows that don't make the space feel like a rolling closet. If you want more control over light and privacy, those windows get adjustable textured roller shades that actually look intentional. And thank goodness Salem ditched the carpet. You're standing on marine grade flooring, which means spills and wet feet don't turn into a permanent regret. It's built to handle real life, the kind where someone walks in with muddy shoes and then acts surprised when there's mud. Storage is also sneaky good. Salem's stow-and-go approach builds space under beds, sofas, and seating, so the clutter has somewhere to disappear when guests walk in and you want to pretend you're organized. You'll also notice the flush floor slide-outs on many models, which means you don't get that annoying toe-stubbing ledge that always finds you in the dark like it's personal. Now, here's where Salem gets clever. The Zen series. If you like trailers with hidden features like the running a secret level, the Zen models lean into that hard. You have hidden microwaves, unique seating, lighting, and an incredible vibe. And that designer LED strip lighting running through the living area doesn't just look cool, it makes the whole space feel more premium and more intentional. Entertainment is set up smart without being overcomplicated. Every Salem comes prepped with a TV bracket in the living area, and the sound system isn't an afterthought either. You're getting a JBL stereo integrated right into the entertainment center. The shelving in that area uses a TFL black walnut finish, giving it a clean, modern look that doesn't scream RV plastic. And because the world runs on chargers now, Salem understands reality. USB ports are everywhere, so you're not playing outlet roulette every single night. Then you hit the kitchen, and this is where Salem starts acting like it's showing off. Some models include a pop-up power station with USB outlets and even a wireless charger, which is the kind of feature you didn't know you wanted until your phone hits 3% and your charging cable is doing that only works if you hold it at a 37-degree angle thing. The kitchen design is sharp. You have a strong countertop, a full designer backsplash, and an undermount deep single bowl sink paired with a high-rise faucet with a pull-out sprayer. It looks clean and it works clean, which is literally the whole point. The kitchen window is expanded too, which is great for light, airflow, and keeping an eye on the campsite. It also gives wildlife a front row seat to whatever you're cooking, so if you feel judged by a deer while making breakfast, congratulations, you're camping. Cooking is handled by a 3-burner cooktop and oven, and you get a residential microwave, with some models hiding it right in the range hood like it's a magic trick. Select floor plans add quality of life wins like a spice rack, and storage is dialed in with TFL cabinet doors and full extension drawers. There's even a fold-out trash can, which sounds small until you've lived in an RV without one and realize your garbage situation becomes a daily problem that you can't ignore. Some models with an island add lock and groove shiplap detailing, which is the RV equivalent of putting on a tailored jacket. It just makes everything look better. When it's time to shut down, the bedroom carries that same smart but stylish vibe. The standout is the VersaTilt Custom King bed, which lets you adjust the angle so you can sit up, chill, scroll, read, or mount a TV and disappear for the night. It's the kind of feature that makes you realize how many RV beds are basically just platforms of sadness. Salem adds residential touches too, like a built-in laundry hamper and even a pet step, because nothing says, "We love you, buddy," like not making your dog launch themselves into furniture like an Olympic event. Storage is reworked in many models with a shirt closet on one side, overhead cabinets, and shelving all the way around the bed. Some layouts even add washer and dryer prep, but that's tied to having 50 amp service because laundry appliances aren't exactly subtle about their power needs. The bathroom keeps the same design language and even adds a little flair. Every Salem gets a backlit arched radius mirror, which is campground glam whether you asked for it or not. The vanity is residential inspired with a modern faucet, and the shower features a surround with a shelf and often a skylight for some extra headroom. But the big headline feature is this 60,000 BTU on-demand tankless water heater. If you're on city water, you can take an actual shower like a normal person, not a rushed rinse and regret situation. Many models also add floating shelves and robe hooks, which sound basic until you realize that bathrooms without them feel like they were designed by someone who's never used a bathroom. Step outside, and Salem's exterior styling is clean and updated. Subtle striping, modern retro metal vibes. And it looks expensive without trying too hard. The entry steps are a serious upgrade too. You get the More Ride step above triple step, which is sturdier and less annoying than the old school pullouts. The awning is large and comes with modern LED blade lighting plus exterior accent lighting that gives the whole trailer just a sharp nighttime presence. Salem even adds an exterior TV bracket because yes, watching something under the awning with a cold drink is absolutely part of the lifestyle. Up front, you've got storage with a sizable baggage door, stabilizers that can be quick drop or upgraded to power, and a power tongue jack to speed up hitching, unhitching, and leveling. There's also an outside shower, which is equal parts convenience and damage control for dogs, kids, and adults who somehow got dirt in places that dirt shouldn't be. A spare tire and carrier is often included because it's such a popular option, and Salem is also prepped for a backup camera, ladder, and solar. You can opt for a 200-watt solar panel with a 30-amp controller or get it standard through the Platinum package. And if you're wondering what Platinum means in Salem language, well, it's your path to a smooth fiberglass exterior. Before towing, let's talk construction because it matters, and features are fun until a trailer ages badly. So Salem uses a cambered chassis with a powder-coated I-beam frame, plus 5/8-inch tongue and groove plywood floor decking with 2x3 floor joists set 12 inches on center. Slide-outs are reinforced with a 13-ply cross micro-laminated beam header, and the front cap is an aerodynamic radius profile with smooth aluminum. Underneath, the heated and enclosed accessibility is designed so you can remove sections every few feet for access if needed, while also protecting the holding tanks, which are seamless. Overhead, the roof uses 5-inch bowed truss rafters and tough flex PVC roofing, and it's walkable. So inspections are realistic, not theoretical. Add the optional ladder and you've got easy roof access for maintenance, solar checks, or the occasional, I just need 5 minutes away from everyone. Okay, let's get into towing, because Salem's range is pretty wide. Length runs roughly 27 to 39 feet and dry weights span about 5,900 to 9,700 pounds. That's not one towing conversation, it's several. If you're dead set on an SUV, you're talking big ones like a Nissan Armada or Dodge Durango, and even then, that's better suited for the lighter Salem models. Once you get into the larger, heavier floor plans, SUVs are where optimism turns into expensive consequences, folks. For trucks, lighter Salems up around the 7,000 pound range can be handled by mid-size pickups like a Ford Ranger, Chevy Colorado, or GMC Canyon, assuming your payload and hitch setup are appropriate. But when you move into the heavier Salems, it's full-size truck time. A Ford F-150, Chevy Silverado 1500, and even options like the F-150 Lightning or Rivian R1T can work in the right configuration. Just remember, EV towing range is a whole separate conversation once you factor in weight, wind, speed, and charging stops. The correct answer is always the same. Check your owner's manual for tow rating, payload, and any other limits. And if that manual has mysteriously vanished, Your nearest Camping World can always help you verify what your vehicle can safely handle. While you're there, you might as well step into a Salem and see which floor plan feels like home. Because if you're gonna camp, you might as well camp in something that looks sharp, lives easy, and doesn't make you compromise on comfort. And that, folks, is the Forest River Salem.